on behalf of His Excellency, the Governor of Meru County and the entire Meru County government, to flag off, or to take this opportunity to flag off a consignment, a medical consignment to several of our level 4 and level 5 hospitals. And these drugs are worth about 17 million and will be used for the benefit of our health care. Let me also, in addition, as Daktari, our CEC of Health, has indicated earlier, that even in the next coming week, we have made plans to ensure that we have another consignment of medical supplies of about 40 million. All these will go to all our medical health centers to ensure that our people have gotten enough or adequate medical services. I also want to take this opportunity to tell the people of Meru County that through the program of SHA, of the national government, that it is very important everyone registers for SHA. We have received a consignment also of about 101 gadgets that are used for registering SHA. They have been placed in all particular 101 medical centers, even dispensaries at the local level in the communities. Through our community health promoters, I want to urge the people of Meru to make sure that they get registered for SHA. The purpose for which, once you register for SHA, you are able to be paid for is an insurance policy scheme by the national government. It only costs about 500 shillings. And once you are admitted in hospital, the government is able to cater for your hospital bill.
My name is Dr. Dennis Mugambi. I'm the CECM for Health in Meru County. We have come today this morning to flag off drugs that we had ordered from KEMSA, that is Kenya Medical Supplies Agency. And these particular drugs are supposed to be supplied in our county hospitals. Key among those county hospitals that the drugs are supposed to be supplied to are Githongo District Hospital, Kangeta Sub-County Hospital, Kanyakine District Hospital, Kibirichia Sub-County Hospital, Meru Teaching and Referral Hospital, Nyambene District Hospital, Mikindori, Mudhara, Mutuati, and Nyambene District Hospital. We would like to state that after these drugs have been flagged off by the Deputy Governor of Meru, in the next 2 or 3 hours, the Meru people will be able to be provided with medications or be served those particular drugs in their respective hospitals. We would also like to state that in the next 1 week, we shall be having another consignment of drugs over 40 million shillings, worth over 40 million shillings, and those particular drugs are supposed to be supplied to dispensaries, health centers, and community units in Meru County.
Let me take this opportunity to thank the government of Meru, led by His Excellency the Governor, Governor Isaac Mutuma, for coming in to cushion the people of Meru for lack of important medicine. I also take this opportunity to urge our medical officers, our health facilities officers, to now up their game. We are looking into your welfare. Your welfare is our guiding principle, and we make sure that things that happened in the past shall not be repeated. Salaries delay shall be a thing of the past. The allowances shall be a thing of the past. And your insurance cover shall be a thing of the past. We will have a proper medical covers. And now, to whom much is given, much is expected.